Before calling a plumber for weak faucet pressure, remove this tiny piece from the end of the spout. A blocked aerator can make normal water pressure feel almost non-existent. Close the drain so none of the small components disappear. Unscrew the aerator counterclockwise by hand. If it is stuck, protect the finish with a cloth before using pliers. Some modern faucets have recessed aerators that require a small removal key. Once it is off, arrange the housing, gasket, screen, and flow control pieces in the exact order they came out. Taking one quick photo now can prevent confusion during reassembly. Hold the screen under running water and rinse it from both directions to push out loose sediment. For white or chalky mineral buildup, soak the removable internal pieces in white vinegar. Then clean the openings gently with a soft toothbrush. Avoid scraping them with metal, and don't soak the faucet's decorative finish because vinegar can damage some coatings. Before reinstalling the aerator, briefly run the faucet to flush loose debris from the spout. Reassemble every piece in its original direction and tighten the housing by hand. It should be secure, not forced. Turn on the water and compare the stream. If pressure is still weak without the aerator installed, the restriction is probably in the cartridge, supply hose, or shutoff valve. Try this 5-minute cleaning first, then comment whether it restored your water flow.